So today I'm going to be making slime. So you are going to need a bowl, something to mix with, measuring thing so you can measure your ingredients. So here, to make the slime so it won't have any, feel like it has salts in it. So what I did was put a 1/4 cup of water and a 1/4 cup of peroxide inside this container, and you're just going to mix it. Now we are going to put in our glue. I'm just using school glue. We're going to put it inside our bowl. So now we're going to add inside there. So now we are going to mix it all together. After you're done making it, put it inside a container